Hello, welcome back, Coverage subscribers. Thank you very much for staying with this YouTube channel. Now finally, the long-awaited hub reveal, which is the step number 3. What is a hub? Why do you need it today to be successful in the online marketing world? What this is and how it looks like will be revealed to you on October the 23rd, which is the Monday, at 9 p.m. Eastern Time, 8 p.m. CT, and 6 p.m. PT. So you can find all the information and how to sign up for the free webinar in which the best kept affiliate secret will be revealed to you. You can sign up for that. Of course, it's for free. You will learn things you have never heard before, because most people today do not use that hub model. People who have used it and who are the forerunners are, for example, Amazon or NerdWallet. Probably you've heard of those companies. They are exclusively using other people's products, but they have a hub-based model. Their business is a hub-based model. You will be seeing how that works and what we have worked on for months now to open this up even for the general public. So please join us, please learn about us, and you will really be blown away, because this is now going to be amazing, because it will give people amazing opportunities and possibilities. I won't say more because we are waiting for Monday to show it to you. So please join us in the link below. You can find all the information. I also want to let you know that we have noticed that people who have been following us are more interested in making money. Later, they are interested in changing their lifestyle or changing their homes, which is why I have opened up another YouTube channel, Affiliate Economy, which is where I will be posting most of the money related, how to make money and how to be successful online in 2023 and beyond. So please feel free to join this other YouTube channel where you will learn much more about this. For now, I will stop recording because of, as I said, our clients are more interested in the money-making world. So we will be focusing much more on that. And the work we have done is incredible. You will be really amazed, because when you come on Monday and you watch that webinar, you will really see a lot of things that you can implement immediately yourself, but also you will be given an opportunity that won't be given to everyone. So please, if you are serious about making money and if you're really serious in changing your life financially for yourself and for your family, then please come on Monday, October the 23rd. Go and click the link in the description below, sign up, post it in your calendar, and if you like, share it with your friends and family. You're all welcomed. See you there.